There is only one cheat code to be successful, and that is discipline, because a body is not made by going to the gym for one day. A body is made by going to the gym every day. A goal is not achieved by working on that goal for one day. You have to work regularly on that goal every day without taking a single day off. Only then that goal is achieved. But for this, you need an unbreakable discipline, and I guarantee you, in this video, I am going to give you such a cheat code, after which you will unlock an unbreakable discipline, and you will be unstoppable. Let's start. You must have read Newton's law, in which Newton uncle says that no object can go into motion until it gets a push. And once that object goes into motion, that object cannot stop until some other force stops it. And this law has a very important use in discipline. That means starting. Something is the most difficult. Reading is not difficult. Sitting with a paper and notebook to read and then starting to read is difficult. Exercising is not difficult. Exercising, it is difficult to start because this laziness of yours, this mind of yours, is always ready to give you an excuse to not work. But what is the solution? The solution is that whatever you have to do, you must have a strong reason that, why do I have to do this work, and why is it necessary to do this work? And there is hardly any bigger motivation than this, to do the work that you want to do, but you don't feel like doing it. There will hardly be anyone in this whole world, for example, watch this video, the music tree, take your back and leave my house. What's going on? You don't want me to break my leg, brother, music. Remember this, music? That's so. Next time whenever you don't feel like doing any work, just think in your mind, why do you have to do this work? And that reason can be anything. Your mom, your dad, your dream, anything. And as soon as you imagine that strong reason, a fire will be lit inside you again. And this fire will not be that cheap motivation, which stays for a while and then extinguishes again. Rather, this fire is limitless, and whenever you remember your strong reason, every time you will get motivation from within to do that work. And after this, you will start doing that work which you did not feel like doing earlier, because now you have come to know why you have to do this work. But according to Newton's law, anything comes into motion after getting a push. Like you have come now, but in the same way any other force can stop it, and same as it is after you go into action. There are many forces to stop you. Like mobile party friend and porn, this destruction is very powerful to destroy any person from his work, but there is a solution for this. Also, always remember that no thing in this world can destroy you. Rather, this mind of yours destroys you. It brings such a yearning inside you to do that work, which you do not even want to do, but still you do that work. So, because of all these useless things, you're to ensure that your discipline is not broken. You just have to use this 10-minute rule. According to this rule, the urge for any destruction in the world will come inside you for only 10 minutes. And in those 10 minutes, it will be at such a peak that even the best of people cannot stop it. You will be able to control it. What you have to do is, as soon as the urge for any destruction pulls you towards it, do not pay attention to those destructions in any way for just 10 minutes. Put on a motivational, powerful song and imagine your goals for 10 minutes. After that, all these destructions will become very small in front of your willpower and you will defeat them. And now comes the most important part of the video. How to work on your task regularly without a gap of even a single day. Take a page and write counting from 1 to 30 on it and write Mission Unstoppable on its top. You can also write the name of your goal on it and stick it where you can see it. Now, what you have to do is select any 3 tasks related to your goal, and you have to do them regularly. And on whichever day you complete all the tasks you have selected, mark an X on that date. This is like a psychological game, and its rule is, do not break the chain. As the X marks on this page increase, you will feel from within that no matter what happens, this chain should not be broken. And the day you cross the last page on this page, after that page is over, cross another page. In this way, you will unlock an unbreakable discipline.